Home, I think, is, to me, it's family, it's a unit, love, safe space, haven.
Home is where I can be myself. Simple as that. The kids, because it's going to be their rooms that they are enjoying it the most, so it is dedicated to them.
Yeah, because I feel that अपने लिए तो हम काफ़ी कुछ कर लेते हैं, but it's seldom that we get something to, do for the kids. So
Yeah.
I think I'll answer that question because Vase is usually busy and I have to deal with, the kids. Actually, mashallah, we've got 3 children and उनकी चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा हैं. They've got their own toys and their own, paraphernalia and everything. वो सब एक मुझसे utilize नहीं की जाती थी. Like it was more like a storage space for all 3 kids, both the rooms. And there was no place for them to play and to actually utilize all the things that they have. And कोई play dates नहीं होती थी, so they would always come home and complain कि मामा why can't we have friends over? And मैं ये कहती थी बेटा अपने कमरे का आप हाल देख लो, तो कहाँ खेलोगे? So yeah, I guess it was high time that we sort of start teaching them about their own responsibilities, about keeping their rooms clean and how to operate basically at home.
First is the kids' bedroom, which looks, as she said, like a storeroom. Then there is the kids' play area, which is, it's more like a cross between a study and a wannabe play area. So I think it would be better if it actually looks like a play area. And then the third is the staircase, which I can use as well. So, something.
Which is actually, just a boring staircase. And it's just an extra space outside the kids' bedroom.
A couple of programs that I remember I saw a long time back on BBC, where they used to do people's houses and people's places. So when they came up with this thing, I was like, okay, that's good. It's happening in Pakistan as well. So let's see what they can do. So yeah, I was actually excited.
Yeah, I'm glad that Bright has taken that initiative because I think it's high time we come up with some interesting projects and something interesting to watch actually, and that can be utilized also practically in your lives. So yeah, I'm glad they took the initiative.
Why other celebrities?
Why other celebrities?
We'll have more rooms in our house. But, I mean, I know that you did the guest room, so I mean, मैं भी किसी का बच्चा हूँ. So maybe you can use that. No, but like I think we have other friends as well.
Of course, definitely.
Of course, and I think when they'll see the end result, they'll be more than they will be inclusive themselves rather than me recommending, which I will. But I think the work is going to speak for itself.
My name is Maham Zohair. I'm an architect and an interior designer. I'm currently working as a visiting lecturer at Beacon House National University, and I'm also an associate at Half Full Studio working as a principal architect. I thought it was a great idea when Brighto approached me for this show, There's No Place Like Home. I personally feel that there's very limited awareness among architects regarding the kind of products they have, and at the same time it's a great initiative to educate different people, both in the market, the clients, as what the power of the product really is. And I think I was more excited about the fact that the project I was given was to deal with very compact spaces, and compact spaces is always a very challenging task, and more so when you have kids as a clientele. So I was extremely excited, and I really look forward to working with Brighto for this makeover.
Okay, so this is the kids' room. Ta-da! पता है, to be a mom, I feel कि आपको एक special एक place होती है in your heart where you feel no shame. So I've reached that place with this room. I've nominated this room. This is the first room I've nominated for this project because I guess आपको नज़र ही आ रहा है इस वक्त कि क्या हाल हुआ है इस कमरे का. My kids, they're very fond of arts and craft, and they're very expressive. And as a mother, I feel that it's really when they're that young and they're trying to express themselves through artistic means, because मैं खुद भी artist हूँ, तो मुझे feel होता है कि उनको आपको रोकना नहीं चाहिए. Like when they just scribble on the wall and they'll call me, Mama आके देखिए what we've done, look it's so beautiful, and अंदर से तो मैं scream कर रही होती हूँ कि ये क्या कर दिया है, but I have to be very supportive. So eventually वो करते करते ये condition हो गई है इस room की.
I remember Myra mentioned that one of the biggest problems she faces is basically the graffiti on the walls. And luckily enough, we have Brighto Stain Free, a product which I'm very curious to experiment on also. So the kids have the freedom to do whatever they feel like on the walls, whether it's painting or whether it's different kinds of graffiti.
Okay, the one thing that I'm really curious to check out is the Brighto Stain Free paint, because the biggest complaint that I've had is बच्चे scribble करते हैं दीवारों पे, and it's a really tough task to remove the stains. So this is one thing that I particularly am looking forward to test, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a wonderful surprise. ये इसको दूर करो प्लीज, फॉर गॉड सेक. आई हेट बलून्स. इतने डिजास्टर्स चीज़ है ना. जितने मेरे बच्चों को ये चीज़ें पसंद हैं उतनी ही आई हेट बलून्स. ये प्लीज़ ऊपर ज़रा पैन करें ना, आप देखें ये जो सीलिंग पे आर्ट हुई हुई है. दिस इज़ नॉट आर्ट एक्चुअली. इट वाज अ really बैड एक्सीडेंट दैट हैपेंड रिसेंटली. अभी माई डॉटर, शी जस्ट टर्न्ड 7, एंड हीलियम बलून्स थे और वो प्ले रूम में आए हुए थे, एंड इट जस्ट वो फॉयल के बलून्स थे. सो एकदम से कोई ये आपस में इनका कोई आई डोंट नो क्या हुआ है, फॉयल बलून ने टच किया है इसको, ये वायरिंग को, एंड इट जस्ट गॉट फायर. और एक पूरा फायर बॉल था इस कमरे में. छत को आग लग गई, नीचे फॉयल बलून गिर गया, सारा वो मेल्ट होके चिपक गया फ्लोर को. A couple of toys also got burnt, which wasn't so bad actually, because I want to get rid of them in the first place. But it was really bad and very scary. Yeah, moms, I mean, seriously, I feel that you need to be very vigilant. This needs to be taken under consideration. बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप लोग प्लीज़ हीलियम बलून्स घर के अंदर मत लाने दें बच्चों को, because they can easily catch fire, कुछ भी हो सकता है. It's not, you don't need to have flame or candles or you know stuff like that available. वो वैसे ही जो भी surrounding में electricity से, light से कुछ भी वो फट सकते हैं, बहुत बुरा accident हो सकता है. So please, you know, you just be very careful.
I think the biggest challenge of this entire project was to ensure that all the different wishes of the parents is incorporated in the very compact space. I thought it was a great idea to have kids custom-made crafts table in the kids play area, because the play area doesn't necessarily have to be playful, but I believe it also needs to be a space that kind of triggers one's imagination and it brings in the expressive aspect of a child. However, what I don't want to compromise is that the space needs to be reflective of the inhabitant, which is the 3 daughters. And interestingly enough, all 3 girls have a very distinct kind of personality. One who likes to read more, while the other, she likes her time on the makeup and the mirror, and the glitter power is what her preference is. The one thing I really wanted to play was with the floor, the different levels on the floor, and like stairs always fascinate kids, and I know for a fact that kids love to jump and kind of sit and kind of play on the different levels that you have in a space. So what I thought would be a great idea is to have a multi-level kind of a deck inside in the middle of the entire kids room. And the multi-level deck, I'm imagining, needs to be furbished with a very fluffy carpet, which is not going to only add color to the space, but also the texture that the girls are going to feel while they're on it, or maybe jumping, sitting. It has to be soft and at the same time needs to be more kid-friendly than being a very hard surface. I honestly feel that designing something for kids is more difficult than it is for anyone else, because they're so blunt that if they don't like it, they will very clearly communicate the fact that they don't like it.
Absolutely, I'm thrilled with the designs. Everything that you know they've put into the design is on point and exactly what the kids need, because kids usually they want fun and they want play in everything they do, whether it's studying or you know sleeping. So for example, the bed itself is like it's like a huge play place, a tree house. You know, they climb the stairs and they you know make it into their own castle, and they pretend play. Even the study, so to speak, which is which is also a playroom, they've installed steps. I mean, I was a bit you know skeptical about that, but it turned out to be the best decision ever, because they just love it. They're jumping up and down, and it's good exercise for them also. And you know, it's not just a study, a boring study anymore. It's a playroom and a study. They can do their crafts there also. The space outside the bedroom, they've actually installed AstroTurf there, which is it kind of gives a really nice outdoor look to the entire space. So you know, they enjoy, they take off their shoes and you know they can be themselves. They have picnics there. So yeah, it's I feel the spaces have been utilized brilliantly, and the design was absolutely on point. The experience was great. I mean, of course, we did have a couple of you know problems here and there. थोड़ा सा inconvenient हो जाता है when you're living and you know the work is being done side by side. But it was all handled really well. I'm really glad. I'm really happy with the team and the way everything was put together, it was made very easy for us. I mean, we literally didn't have to do anything. We didn't have to do much. So it was handled very well, and the kids were super excited. When they saw the rooms and the space outside the room, I mean, they just went bonkers. They were completely, and now, you know, it's actually easy for us to leave them at home and go out because they're so excited. They don't want to get out of their rooms. They're busy playing. They've got enough activities. So it's been really good, really amazing.
I would like to thank Brighto for this initiative. It's a very interesting one. Usually we go into regular platforms for advertising and marketing. I think this was a very interesting idea to cater to, and whosoever decided this at Brighto, you made the right decision. Secondly, on a personal front, I would like to ask them that next time while they're doing it, please let me know a bit in advance so I can order more of that carpet in the kids' play area. It has this really good feel. I would like to have a lot of that in my washroom because I think it would be epic and it would give such a good feeling to the whole atmosphere of an after shower. I think walking on it can really do wonders. Yeah, I mean, seriously. So that thing is just brilliant. I mean, that's my favorite part of this whole makeover is that carpet. You know, I try to tell the kids to go to sleep and then I just, kind of lie down on it and toss around. So it's a lot of fun. But on a serious note, Brighto, thank you so much and keep up with such ideas. It's fun to see, our companies going into different directions of marketing and trying to explore different avenues.